What are you doing up here? Let's see. So I am on my way to take a hike at, I believe, Bukhansan Mountain. I got off like a bus stop or two late. I'm telling you, Korea's like transportation system. It's like not complicated, but at the same time, like you have to really pay a lot of attention. You have to listen because it's not always going to be in English. I noticed like some buses may not have like any English signs, so you have to listen for the word. And like they don't always stop. I thought sometimes they would just stop. So I was waiting to see if somebody else. This is a nice little path right there. This is kind of cute. But I was waiting to see if anybody else was gonna stop. But they don't. So I was like, oh shit. So I pressed the little button and had to get off. So I have to like walk back. It's only like a few extra minutes of a walk, but let's go. Y'all, I was so knocked out yesterday. I missed the whole day. Like the whole day is a blur. I was asleep all Sunday when I came back home from Itaewon. I was knocked out. And I woke up like super late time here. It would have been like regular time back in Chicago. So since I was up and I stayed up all night, I was like, is that a spider web? Lord have mercy, child. But I was like, I may as well go for a hike. I'm up this early. This is a perfect time to go for this hike. So let's go. Y'all, there are some insanely gnarly ass spiders out here. Like, I didn't see a good thing. You can't even see it. That's a big fat web. There's a fat one sitting on there. I didn't see a spider every few steps. It is very traumatizing for me. Well, finally made it. I'm at this point. I'm following the other people just to be sure, because I don't really know for sure. I'm just going where they going. They know what they're doing. They got the gear shop right there, so you know you're on your hike and you see a little store. You're like, hey, just give me a little something extra, a little something cute for my next hike, and then they get you. I feel like I saw other entrances to the trail, but I want a map. Like I need a map in my hand before I get up in there. I'm not finna get lost somewhere. No ma'am. No sir, no thank you, ham. No turkey, no bacon, no ham. So I really want a map, and I want the easiest trail because I done walked a good 30 minutes to get here on top of that. So I want the easiest trail. Okay, so I found a map.
아니 거기서 차가 저기
I'm going to try to take the easiest path, and that is Daedongmyeon course. That's like an hour and 10 minutes. I want to try to get back at like 1 back into the main city of Seoul. So yeah. I'm not gonna hold you. This hike is hiking already, child. This incline is something. I cannot for the life of me tell what path I'm on. I'm just vibing. It's just walking the vibes. I finally see that map makes a little bit of sense. The map they give you is like so big and so vague. I don't know what trail I'm on. I was, I think, trying to go to this trail, but I'm all the way over here. So that sounds kind of dead. I'm like, where am I going? I don't know. I wonder if this is a path. I don't know, child. I'm gonna walk up here a little bit. I think I'm just walk for some time. Then when I get tired, I might just turn around and come back. The autumn leaves. I should come back here like maybe like another week or so. I don't know. To see the leaves change a little bit more. Now they're changing. Like some places they're changing fully. Some places they're still in their process. Taking their time. No rush. No rush to the leaves. No rush. Take your time. Bust out that autumn fit when you're ready to. But yeah. Oh, when I was coming up here, this old man came up to help me, to talk to me. I noticed like sometimes when like people will speak English, they'll be coming up to you first, you know. They'll see you look lost and they'll come and help you, versus having to like go look for somebody because they can tell and they speak English, so I think like they're more comfortable to come talk to you. Because he saw me and I was looking at the maps and he was like, where are you from? And I told him I'm from Chicago, and I told him I was trying to go and stuff. And then he was like, help me out. So that was really nice. And I really appreciate that. It was like that too in Japan. Like when I was at the train station and I was like looking to try to fill up my train card. And this one guy saw me and came up and asked me like, hey, do you need help? He spoke English. So, you know, I think when they speak it a little bit, they're more comfortable to come up to you to help you. So I really appreciated that. Okay. What's down here? Interpretive trails. See, I don't want to get too crazy. I want to go into these cute little spots, but I ain't trying to get lost in nobody mountain. No ma'am. No ma'am. There we go. Peace signs. Peace signs. Getting down these stairs is gonna be a problem. This is steep. I did not think about that. Wow. So why the guy in that car? He gave me a chocolate pie. Oh, that was so nice. That was so nice. Now I get to try it. Let's see how yummy it tastes. This is actually great because I've always wanted to try a chocolate pie. So let's see. It smells like a ho-ho, but it's like chewier. It's like almost like a marshmallow chew when you bite it. Thank you, sir. 감사합니다. Let's catch you to see. Oh, look at these random cats up here. That is so cute. Hi, kitty. What are you doing all the way up here, cat? Ooh, did I find a view? Ooh, I found another view. Wanna be my vlog? Wanna be my vlog?
Hi. Is that for YouTube or something?
Yeah.
Love it.
Right. I know. It's good. Finished here.
It's easy.
And it's mildly slippery.
Yeah.
Then you gotta go out there to side.
They're chanting. There's a temple over there. Can you hear it?
Like, you have to stay within yourself like that, so that people will judge you.
Yeah. It's like a black squirrel.
Great balance.
Hi, baby. Oh, She's so little. Hi. Hi. Can't even see, it's so sunny. I get a selfie. I'm over here dying. You're probably wondering to yourself, Nick, how the fuck did you get up here? How did you find yourself in this situation? I don't know. I don't know.
Back in there? Okay, hold on. I gotta switch.
Doggy, what are you doing up here? Oh, what are they doing over here? This is literally peak of a mountain, bro. I think this is like a little rest stop. Whoever would want to take the flight, or I can't even talk well. So like, you need a helicopter to come collect your money. Hi, kitty baby. She's like,
Do that. And people have cats.
oh, it's more. Hi, kitties.
They're about to fight or something.
Are they having a showdown?
No, the humans find me cuter. Where's the kitty?
Are they friends? They're like, look at these. They're talking about us. Oh, say meow. Are they friends? Oh, maybe not.
And the other cats just
Wait, the mom was like, okay. Y'all don't even understand the joy in my bones and my body to be making it out of this damned mountain. Lord, how you feeling, Franz?
I'm hungry.
I'm starving. Oh my gosh. I'm alive, barely, barely. Victory! When I tell you, I don't even know how I made it back to my room. I'll get this. I had to walk up 4 flights of stairs to get to my room on top of everything else. I remember I was like, oh, I'm gonna go do this. I'm gonna go do this and this. It really is one of those things. Which is that freaking hike. I still want to get some food from the market. But will I make it to the market? Will I make it to the market? Will I make it to the market?